Alright, let's get into it. I'm gonna go to simple house. This is gonna be a little laggy, that's a little warning. Vincent, what are you doing? I'm trying to record a video. Vincent! Hold on, I'll be right back. What are you doing? Hey, whoa! What you doing? What? Oh yeah, I have a recording app in the background.
Hey, Ann.
I'm gonna...
I bet it's crappy. What do you stream at? What quality do you stream at? 280?
Usually it is on HD.
That's not a quality. Like, we're talking like 210? Or 1080? Or 210? Or no, not 210. 2010?
I'm talking like the most quality. This thing streams well. But...
That's probably 8060.
Okay.
Do you even know what any of these numbers mean, though? How many pixels are being recorded? So, say 1080 basically means it's like...
POV every...
I forgot how to do the math.
POV every scary video. Hey, POV every scary video.
Yeah.
Papa, get the Nokia flip phone with with 180p. Let's go. Holy shit. Oh my god, you just shot me. Here's the regular shotgun. And then here's the modded shotgun. Not modded shotgun. It shoots clean holes through everything. Let's go in the photo mode and see what this looks like. Yep, just like the regular model. In case you're wondering why I'm saying that. No, if you play Teardown, you obviously have gone into photo mode and looked at weapons before. If you haven't, you're weird. Look, it looks the exact same. This thing can snipe from like very far. Let me show you. Actually, I'm gonna grab like pink. Alright, pink was wearing the imposter. She is a identical twin of red. So I'm gonna stand all the way across the map. Okay, look, I'm at the border. If you aim, you can see her. And then, let's go check the damage. Alright, we have a clean hole in the head. Does not go fully through. Yeah. Now I'm gonna do it from like point blank range. Does it go through? I don't think it does. Actually did. What if, I'm just gonna... One sec. one. Oh yeah, it doesn't work. Oh, but what's with this? Let's go with small ammo. Dang, this must be super laggy for you guys. Either you're on your phone or you're on a PC. I don't care whichever one. But this recorder I used at studio, and holy crap, it's laggy. On my behalf, it's super laggy. On your behalf, it's even more laggy. Look, this is how fast the resolution's. And here, turning at like regular speed, okay? Look, since it's laggy, it slows down time, but really it's supposed to be going this fast. Die! This autoclicker is actually pretty fun. God. Oh, I'm live. I'd like to mention, as soon as I die, I actually end the recording. I'm gonna restart. The other one that you see in the bottom, it's only for like audio and video, and you can't have both at the same time, so it's kind of stupid. I'd have to put it together in CapCut. So who is Vincent talking to? P. This is Boss's house, by the way. B. Now let's see if he comes back after this. Where is it? Yeah, close. Show him who's boss around here. You hear who's bossing me around? Imagine. This is gonna be put freshly through CapCut. And I'm gonna have to watch it all, so this might be a long recording.
Cut!
Hold on, I got an idea. Why isn't it? Oh, it closed. I need to hit right. I gotta make this 1 millisecond again. Right. Okay. Now since that, if I grab my handgun, oh my god, why does it keep closing? Okay, boss, now's the serious section. Boom and everything. Won't stop. Can't stop. Fire! 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 Now I gotta run. Oh my god, I almost died. You know, that's actually like a stealthy way to break into a home. I know. I'm gonna get this to 1,000. Oh god, I'm probably the fault of the map. You saved myself. Alright, there we go. Kind of had to fly there. I'm going to space! Oh, I got 1,000. Okay, good. Oh. And I fall through the roof and not the map. Oh. I almost died there. In theory. Wait, I got an idea. Acid. Use the acid to burn through. Now you're gonna want to get your uniform. killed myself. Oh, end of the stream. Goodbye.